we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Womeyork Outdoor Camping Stove Camp Tent Stove. Highlight features or overview summary, that's include: easy to carry and clean. One-piece molding, instant use without installation. Folding shelves on both sides add to the functionality of the stove, which can be used to place cutlery and dry items, and also serve as handles for easy portability. The chimney and other parts can be stored in the stove, saving more storage space. The foldable legs at the bottom also make it easy to store and transport. Equipped with ashtray for easy cleaning of ashes at the bottom. Strong and stable structure. Durable steel frame and high temperature resistant paint help for long time use and help resist harsh outdoor environment. Provide ample heating surface on top of stove, which helps to make delicious barbecue. To keep the marquee very warm in cold conditions, boil some water. Great for camping, backpacking, ice fishing and hunting trips. Stainless steel chimney pipe. Equipped with 4x chimney pipes for stability and proper ventilation. Available for bell tents with furnace tube vents, chimney tubes adjust ventilation to suit your heat needs. The design of the fire holes on the surface of the stove also increases the heating efficiency and is a great version for your camping/hunting trips with friends or family. Heat output regulator. The damper design can help you control the amount of heat by adjusting the heat output and help the fuel to burn more fully. Pyrex windows can be removed and cleaned quickly, with visible flame and wood in the stove. Multifunctional application. Make sure you read the instructions, it is best to do the first burning before use. Help with boiling water and hot coffee while camping/hunting on cold winter mornings. Make some delicious barbecue and enjoy your outdoor leisure time. Great for camping, hiking, backpacking, picnics, barbecues, outdoor survival and adventure, car travel, refuge. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.